welcome to Kitchen 2. Today we are making homemade pizza. We will be making pizza with stuffed crust. Our sauce will be homemade and our topping will just be cheese and pepperoni. Our first step was to turn on our oven to 450 degrees. Now we're going to mix together the water, the sugar, and the yeast. Our water has to be 110 degrees so you can get a nifty little kitchen thermometer like so and measure it before you use it. Then you're going to add your sugar and your yeast and you just mix it together and you let it sit for 10 minutes. First I'm going to add 2½ cups of flour and a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm gonna mix this together before I knead it. I have lightly lined the counter with flour, and I'm going to knead the dough. First, you place it on the counter, and you push, and then you flip, and then you turn, and then you push, and you flip, and turn. Our next step is to roll the dough. Before you do that, you have to lightly flour your roller. You're just going to roll it out until it is approximately the size of your pizza pan or until thin but not too thin. Alright, I have lightly greased our pan that we were going to put our pizza on. Now I just need to get my rolled out dough on there. First, I'm going to fold this in half, and fold it in half again. Then I will pick it all up, and just place it in the corner. Then I can unfold this all over our pan. And then I will just place it together. After the dough is on the pan, we need to make our sauce, which will be 15 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, we're going to have 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1½ teaspoons of dried garlic, and 2 tablespoons of oregano. Okay, now we're going to put everything together and make our pizza. First, you want to take the sauce and spread it around on your pizza. Make sure you get it all even so that it's all the same. And now you're going to add your toppings. First, mozzarella cheese. And you can just add however much you want. If you like cheese a lot, then you can add however much you want. And where the crust goes, you're going to put a whole bunch of cheese for your stuffed crust. Make sure it's nice and cheesy. And just go all the way around the pan with this. And now you're going to add your pepperoni. And you can add however much you want with this too. Just put them wherever you want.
done, you're just gonna go around the edges and fold in your crust to make your stuffed crust. Fold them all in. Make sure you get it nice and tight so your cheese doesn't fall out when you cook it. And then your oven should already be preheated to 450, and then you're just gonna go put it in the oven and let it cook for 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes of baking, our pizza is done. You might want to let it cool for a little bit, and then it's ready to eat.